So you want to learn how to ride a motorcycle. I got you, girl. Part 2. Today, let's talk about your friction zone. You'll hear a lot of riders try to explain the friction zone to a new rider, and they'll use a lot of technical terms like modulating engine torque and things like that, and I just find that a little bit unnecessary. So today, I'm going to break it down for you. So I want you to think of it like this. You have 4 friends. There's 2 best friends and 2 other best friends. Think of your clutch and your engine as a pair of best friends. Think of your transmission and your wheels as another pair of best friends. Now, these 4 friends only hang out when your clutch and your transmission hang out. Your engine and your wheels aren't really that close, but because their best friends are friends with each other, they'll hang out. So you have your engine that's providing power, and you have your clutch that's always attached to the hip because they're best friends. Now when the clutch slowly starts to touch the transmission, the power from the engine also gets transferred to your transmission, and that transmission is connected to your wheels essentially, which gives your wheels power to move forward. When the clutch is slowly being released, it slowly starts touching the transmission, which slowly starts giving energy or power to your wheels, and now you're moving without any throttle. Now that you can move your bike just by using your clutch, you have found the friction zone. So where does the throttle come in? Well, the throttle is that 5th friend. That friend that's popular and really, really nice, so they bring up that energy in any friend group. So when you start adding throttle, you're quite literally adding power and energy to the group. When you should add throttle is when you feel that friction zone coming to an end. So instead of running off of the clutch's power, essentially, you're then running off of the throttle's power. Anyways, I hope that was helpful.